Good morning, children. Welcome to sixth part of first chapter, that is index number. In today's session, sum which we will do, that is, we are supposed to find either IL, IP and IF or only IF. Now here is the sum. 5 commodities from A to E it is given. Base year and current year price. Along with price you can see here expenditure is given. Normally it is always given consumption or quantity, but here it is given expenditure. So take care of this only. Whenever you get this type of sum, always first you check here expenditure is given or quantity is given. Sometimes along with expenditure, instead of price, here quantity will be given and price will be missing, or price and expenditure will be given and quantity will be missing. So you check first and then only start solving sum. So here expenditure is given, so we will find in this sum quantity. Same way of current year, price and expenditure is given, we will find first quantity. If with these two values only, this expenditure only if you consider as a quantity and you solve, you will get 0. Now how you find with the help of this price and expenditure quantity? Now for that, very simple it is. Normally in the market when we go, what we spend, that only it is expenditure. How you give that amount, what price of that commodity is, we multiply with the quantity. Means, say example, 6 pieces we have taken and price of each is rupees 5. So 6 5s are 30 rupees you will pay for that. That is your expenditure. So no need of cramming this formula. Simply by just now as we discussed, price into quantity, that will be expenditure. Now here in this, price is missing. This expenditure, if this quantity here it is in multiplication, if you take it this side, it will be in denominator. So if we want to know the price, then total expenditure, when we divide by quantity, we get price. Now suppose in the question expenditure and price, these two values are given and quantity is missing, then again total expenditure which is there, we divide by price, so we get quantity. Like in this sum, it is quantity is missing, so expenditure we divide by price, we get quantity. Now here let us start with this sum. Now here you can see price and expenditure is given, and here already I have mentioned P0 and this is your Q0, same here P1 and this is Q1. Now as just now we discussed how we find quantity, that is this expenditure we divide by price, we get quantity. So 30 divided by 3, we get 10. Same way 40 divided by 5, we get 8. Same 48 divided by 8, 6. 40 divided by 10, 4. 18 divided by 6, 3. Same way of current year, we divide expenditure by price. 45 divided by 5, 9. 54 divided by 6, again 9. Then 5, 4 and 5. This way. Now when we get price, quantity of base year, price and quantity of current year, now we are supposed to find IF, formula for which is sigma P1 Q0 by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 by P0 Q1, root of that multiply by 100. Now this is the when direct only IF we are supposed to find, we use this formula. But sometimes if you do it, first we find IL, then IP and then IF by using IL and IP, that way also answer you will get same and it is right method also. But what I will suggest you that when only IF, then directly put the values in this formula. Your calculations will be less, nothing else. Now, simple as before we discussed already, always you go for in sequence only P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1 and P0 Q1. So here we multiply first, that is P1 and Q0, which is 50, 48, 60, 40 and 24. Total of this comes 222. Same way, now P0 Q0, that is 30, 40, 48, 40, 18, which comes 176. Next, P1 Q1, that is 45, 54, 50, 40 and 40. Total of this is 229. Finally, P0 Q1, here 27, 45, 40, 40 and 30. Total comes 182. Now put these four values in this formula. We get this way: 222 divide by 176 into 229 divide by 182, outside of this root in multiplication 100. Now here I am not solving this fully directly, I am writing the answer. Of course you are supposed to show with stepwise, then only write final answer, which is IF 125.98. Now this 125.98, as you people know, minus 100, base year's index number, we subtract. So in percentage, if you want to know, then this 25.98%, there is increase in rise of current year's price in comparison to base year. One thing which is very, very important, which I want to discuss with you, that is, here you can see this expenditure 30, 40, 48, 40, 18. Here you can see P0, Q0, it is the same value. Why? Because this P0, Q0, here which is expenditure, that is P0, Q0 only, 3 tens are 30. So, if you want to save your time, no need of calculating it again. Which expenditure is there? That same expenditure of base year, P0, Q0. Now this is current year's expenditure. That same P1, Q1, you can see 45, 54. These values only. So no need of wasting your time. Same this expenditure of current year, you can write here in P1, Q1 or solve it, multiply and write. It is your choice. Now today's homework. Now here, these are the questions of where you are supposed to find only IF. First, note down these two sums. Total 4 sums are, these are first 2 and here these are next 2 sums. Solve these sums. You will enjoy while solving these sums. This is an end of 6th session. See you in next session tomorrow. Thank you.